Hi Sarah, Sidetai Sahari, how are you Sidetai? Fine on Fianai, how are you doing Sidetai? Okay Fian, what do you want Mahadonisa to do in Atkawato? I am hungry Wangajai Sanai, I am hungry Wangajai Sanahai. Where Hage do you Adiga want Adonisa to go in at Ado? I would like Wahanja Lan Laha to go in an other to an Italian restaurant, Makayada Italianka. What kind of Italian food rushing no or Italian do you like Ajashai? I like Wahanjalahai spaghetti bastada. Do you like Majashai spaghetti bastada Majashai? No Maya, I don't. Maya majali but lakin I like وحنجلها بيزا كأنجلها بيزا وحلي هذا وأنجيرو أو قدر أو وحول تو قدر تهذا هاي تاس يلي هذا أنجيرو أو قدر تهذا هاي أو إيطاليان كاستعمالان وهي 10 كينمان تحكو سابسينيا هاي conversation أو ذا شيء كيسي هاي سهرة how are you سيدات هاي Fine on Fianahai, how are you doing Sidenatai? Okay, Fianwai. What do you want Mahadonisa to do in Atkawato? I am hungry Wangajai Sanahai. I would like Hanjalan Laha to eat in an ono something shay. Where Hage do you want Adonisa to go in at Ado? I would like Hanjalan Laha to go in an Ado to an Italian restaurant Makayada Italianka. Okay, what kind of Italian food? Russian no or Italian do you like Ajashai? I like Wahanjala spaghetti bastada. Do you like Majashai spaghetti bastada Majashai? No Maya, I don't. Maya Majali but lakin I like Wahanjala Biza Kanjalahai. Conversation with the Shekaisi. Hi Sarah, Sahri. How are you Sidetai? Fine on Fianahai. How are you doing Sidetai? Okay on Fianahai. What do you want to do? Mahana don is in a sameso. I am hungry Wangajai Sanahai. I would like Wahanjalan Laha to eat in an odo something shay. Where Hage do you want Adonis to go in at Ado? I would like Wahanjalahai to go in an Ado to an Italian restaurant, Makayada Italianta. What kind of Italian food? Russian no or Italiana do you like Ajashai? I like Wahanjalai spaghetti معناها bastada. Do you like Majashai? Do you like Majash spaghetti bastada? No Maya, I don't like Majali but lakin I would like I like Wahanjalai biza kanjala ama hanjerada Italianka. Fallan hadii naga cusub tahay walaalkayga tahay walaalkiina banahay like subscribe deh gambalalkina furo kulay waxa asaas baan kugu dhiirigelin lahaa insha Allah hadii la idmo halkan waxyaalo badan baad ku faa'iidi doontaa salaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh walaal waan ku salaamaya dhamaantiinaba